Good morning, folks. We are live at 9:59 in the morning. And we are running a 3-winner mini for Steven's Droids R2. I'm going to snag the list while I got it here. 10 spotter. Top 3. Each catch a spot in the main. I'm going to paste. Meow. 10 spots. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better. And we did. We got 12. All the way in here, guys and gals. Good luck. Here we go. Top 3 as we get down to business. Thor in the top spot for our first round. Nick 2. Thor again on top. Troy takes round 4. Thor round 5. And round 6 with number 1. Thor again on top in round 7. And round 8. Mark in the top spot for round 9. Rob on top in round 10 with number 5. Troy dominating the next to last round, round 11. Occupying the top 2 spots there, bringing us to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Thor and Rob. Thor taking the first 2 and Rob getting the last spot there and at number 8. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification. Make it legit. MRWQGP is our verification code. Thor Rob. Win. I'm done at 10 o'clock. There it is. One last time, there's the results. Thanks, guys. Appreciate the wait, by the way. This was I think this one fell through the cracks. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.